Hello everyone, Julie here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am actually going to be reviewing the Chai Lava Spin and Curl. So I have been eyeing this device for a while now, and I was like, this thing seems too good to be true. I need to get it. I need to review it for you guys. I need to give you my first impression, all of that. So got this guy, and I'm very excited to share kind of my review on it, my thoughts on it, and then I'm also going to show you guys how it works. So if you guys want to check that out, then keep watching. So first things first, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys just a little breakdown on the device. So I have my handy little notes here. So it is a 1-inch curling barrel on the inside. It curls in both directions, so you're not just gonna have a curl facing one direction. You can do different directions. You could also control the heat, so it goes up to 410 and the lowest is 370. Also, something that I thought was really cool is you can set a timer for how long it holds the curls depending on how thick or thin your hair is. So my hair is like kind of medium thickness, I guess. So you can do 15 seconds, 17 seconds, or 20 seconds. So I went ahead and set mine to 17 seconds, which I thought was really cool. When it is ready, it then does 3 beeps. So there's no more like counting in your head to figure out how long you've been holding that curl. Literally, you can just like think about something completely different and not have to worry about counting in your head, or at least that's what I do when I curl my hair. I'm like 1, 2, 3. This thing beeps for you and lets you know when it's done, which is pretty cool. Also, it has like a 1-hour automatic shut off, which is awesome. There's been so many times where I'm like, shoot, did I unplug my curling iron? So if I didn't unplug this or turn it off, it will turn off automatically, which I thought was really awesome. So that's kind of like the basic stats or key features of the device. But let's go ahead and now review this guy. So I've tried it before. I actually did a TikTok of my first impression. I'll go ahead and put that up here now. As you can see, I am very excited. This thing is game changing. I can't believe how easy it was. I was shocked. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys in a second exactly how it works. I'm gonna curl my whole head. But yeah, I was pretty shocked how easy it was and how good the curls looked. Also, I thought all my hair would get tangled and get pulled out in this thing. And that's actually concerns that a lot of people have asked me about when I told them I got this. And that's another thing about this device is it kind of has like a safety feature where if you put in too much hair or it just gets too tangled, it automatically stops and it's like super easy to pull it out. So it really has like all the features and everything to help you not do that. But yeah, I was shocked. I really like this device. The curls, obviously they're only a 1-inch, so that's kind of a downside to this is you can't actually like change the barrel size. So if you are a girl that likes bigger curls or smaller curls than a 1-inch, this probably isn't the curling wand for you. But if you're kind of around that 1-inch size, then I would 100% recommend this guy. It is really awesome. But enough of me talking about it. Let me go ahead and show you guys how this thing works and how amazing it really is. So I thought it'd be a little bit easier to show you guys how I curl my hair, so move to the bathroom. I'm gonna first go ahead and just section off my hair. I do this even when I curl my hair with a regular curling iron. I just find it a little bit easier. And with this guy, it is the same thing. It is heating up right now. It literally takes, it's done heating up. It took like 10 seconds to heat up, which is awesome. So quick heat up time. And yeah, usually by the time I am done sectioning off my hair, it is all heated and ready to go. So super cute. So pretty much how you use this guy is obviously turn it on, it's heated up. Like I said, you can set it to different amount of time that it will hold your hair in the barrel. I previously told you guys I had it at 17, but I guess I have it at 15 seconds. And then I just have it at 360, which is the lowest that it will go. So all set, that's all ready to go. And then these 2 buttons here determine which way you want the curl to go. So I had to kind of mess with it to figure out which way I want the curl to go. I've kind of figured it out depending on what side of my head I'm doing. But yeah, it took me a little while to like figure it out. But pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start in the back and grab this guy. On the back, it says this side towards head. So I'm gonna put this side towards my head. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in like this, press the button. Done. Hair is sitting in there. I don't have to like have my arms up. I feel like every time I curl my hair, my arms get super tired holding it up. Literally, it's doing all the work for me, and it's going to beep in about 15 seconds when it's done. So then I go ahead and pull it out, and perfect curl. And I just throw it back and pretty much repeat this on my whole head. And for me, I switch directions pretty much every time until I get to like the last 3 pieces in the front. So whichever one I push to begin with, then I'll just switch it up. And it's really just that easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up and do my whole head, or at least this whole side, and then I'll come back to you when we do this side. Okay, so we're done with this side, and I know it looks very intense and these curls are just a little too curly Sue, but in a second I will run my fingers through them and they will chill out a little bit. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but some of the pieces are kind of straight at the end, and I noticed that when I put the curl in, or the hair into curl, and I just pretty much stop pushing this button the second all the hair goes in, the ends come out a little straight, which I like on some pieces. So I did some like that, and then some like the ones here are curled all the way, but when I brush them all through, it all will look good. So pretty much then do the same thing on this side, section it off the same, all of that. But then with this side, it's obviously gonna be opposite what it was of the other one. So when I was pushing the back button on this side, the curls were going backwards. But if I push that same button on this side, the curls will go forwards. So like I said, you kind of have to like play with it to figure out which button to push to determine if it's like the curls are gonna go back or forward. But I've kind of figured out that whatever side of the face it's on, if you want it to curl backwards or away from the face, you need to hit the back button. So then the back one on here. And if you want it to curl forwards, you hit the front button. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and then speed it up for you guys and come back when I'm done. All right, and we are done. I am going to let it sit for a little bit. I don't want to run my fingers through it quite yet, at least for my hair. So I'm gonna let it sit and then I'll run my fingers through. Obviously, too, I'll check to make sure I didn't miss any pieces. I don't know if you guys saw, I missed a little one on this side, so I had to go back. But yeah, so let me go ahead and let these chill for a minute, and then I'll come back and show you the final product. And this is the finished product. I really, really love this device. I love the curls it gives my hair. Like I said before, I kind of do some pieces a little more straight. So it's pretty much up to you if you want to do them a little more straight like me or completely curled. It just depends on how long you hold the button when the hair first goes in. So I just don't hold it as long, and I feel like it gives me these little kind of straight pieces at the end, which is awesome because that's how I like to curl my hair. But yeah, like I said, I really like how it curls my hair. I also love how easy it is. I love that I'm like not putting my arms up here and they're not getting tired. I literally just put it in here, press the button, and wait for it to beep. It's really just that simple. And yeah, I think it's a great device. So my rating for this would probably be a 9 out of 10. The only reason I am not giving it a 10 out of 10 is the barrel size is 1 inch and you can't change that. So that kind of sucks. I have another curling iron where you can change the barrel. So if I feel like doing a tighter curl one day or a looser curl one day, I could just change the barrel. But this guy is set on that. So that's the only reason I'll give it a 9 out of 10. But I actually like the 1 inch size on me. So for me, it's fine. But yeah, the device is great. I highly recommend it. And I didn't mention before, but you can also get it at Avon. So Avon, Ulta, Amazon, I will put all the links down below so you guys can kind of see the different options. Like I said, I believe the Amazon one is black and not red, and they might have slightly different features. So I'll put all the links down below so you guys can check them out. But that is it for my review on the CHI Lava Spin and Curl device. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also check me out on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys next time.